Hi guys, I thought we'd give this YouTube channel a go. A lot of my friends and family have given me a little nudge to try it, so you know what, let's see how it goes. I run a garage in the West Midlands area, and I just thought today we'd welcome everyone to the channel and we'd give you a tour around the place. Alright guys, firstly I'm going to apologise for the mess because we are in the process of doing a lot of cleaning and sorting out the workshop. So, you know, first off, apologies for that. Here we have our MOT pit. We do the cars and the vans, so class 4 and class 7. It's quite a big pit we have here. We can fit the stretch limos, the taller vans, the big trucks, which have been downloaded. Here we have our headlamp aim tester. Here we have our turn plates. Here we have our jacking wheel. Here we have our emissions equipment where we check the diesel and the petrol emissions. And if you just want to come over here, here we have our roller brake tester, which is where we check the efficiency of the vehicles. We have a bit of a waiting area and a viewing area for the customers when they're coming to the MOT. A lot of this side of the workshop is dedicated just to the MOTs. And here on this side, we do our vehicle repair work and everything. So we've got a few cars in today. Let us know in the comments if you want to see some of the work that we do, and we might do some videos on specific cars that we're going through, or we'll just do updates now and then. Here we have the Vauxhall Corsa. Young driver had a bit of a front end impact. We changed front bumper, front panel, headlights, a lot of body hinges, stuff like that, to get the customer's car back to normal. Here we have a Honda Jazz. This car's, we've had quite a lot of rain recently in the UK, and the customer drove through cold water, hot engine, the block cracked in this, so we had to source a new vehicle for the customer. So this is the cracked block, guys. As you can see, this would usually be uniform here, where you can see a crack in the block there and a crack in the block on this side. So yeah, we did source that used engine and we put it in the car, and the car's now up and running. Here we have the Vauxhall Combo X Royal Mail van, as you can tell by the signature colour. We're putting a new engine in this one. That'll be quite an interesting video if you want to see, because as you can see, if you come and want to have a look, without the engine and the transmission and the engine bay, it's just empty space really. A lot of room for activities. Here we have a Ford Transit. We've got a fueling issue on this one. I think it is the high pressure fuel pump on this one. But yeah, here we have an Audi 2.7 V6. The alternator's gone bad on this one, so we're changing that through. This is what charges your battery when you start up the car, and obviously it is a serviceable item in that sense, so they can tend to go wrong. Yeah, as you can see, it's a lot of work with this car as opposed to one of the smaller cars or something, because you have to strip a lot of the front end to get through. This is the location of the alternator where it would be, and yeah, because it's quite a big engine in a small compartment, so everything is quite compact. But yeah, to do the timing and the water pump service, you would have to do a similar kind of disassembly of the vehicle. So at the moment, guys, we've got one 2-poster there, which you saw the combo one, and the 4-poster over here. We are having 2 more new ramps coming hopefully very soon, and you know, we'll change the atmosphere in this garage quite a bit. If you want to come on through to the back, guys, we're going to open something automotive related very soon. It's going to be quite a new venture for myself. We did have a tenant here. It did leave a lot of mess, so we are in the process of cleaning all this up. As you can see, we have done little bits. You can't really see how much cleaning we've done, but you know, spent quite a few days here gathering together rubbish. It is quite a big space here. Yeah. Once this is all cleaned up, we'll probably make a few videos on the process of what we are doing, and how we do set up something back here. Okay guys, that's the workshop tour done. Let us know in the comments if you want to see a lot more. If you got any ideas of any videos, we can do a lot of videos on tips, you know, purchase inspections or what to look out for when you're looking for any car or a certain type of car. We deal with a lot of stuff here in this workshop, and we do get some interesting cars come through the door and some nice little projects. So I think there'll be some quite entertaining videos for you guys. Thank you, and like the video and subscribe to the channel.